Welcome to 5117 Coffee Tree Lane. Come on in and take a quick tour with me. I think you'll like what you see. This 1986 Miller-built home is coming on the market. Be sure to come visit us from 4 to 6 on September 27th. Look at this deck and look how private this yard is. Treed all around, fully fenced yard, lots of green space. And when the temperatures fall, you have this great wood-burning fireplace to keep you warm. And if you want to enjoy your indoor space, beautiful kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a nice open layout so it's easy for you to entertain.